Taking a look at this nice handheld shower head. Alright, so here we have it. The 5 settings handheld shower head. So I could tell you it feels rubber here on the sides, but the inside feels like plastic. Plasticky here. I would like to see this like on stainless steel. It'll be awesome. Stainless steel. This is plastic, feels plasticky. I don't think it'll break if it falls. I'm not gonna do that. But as you can see, you put one end here. Has a rubber attachment there, so it won't leak. This feels metal. I want over tight just in case. And this part from your shower head, it has some screws here, and this is also very plasticky. And just put this on the wall so you can hang it. You hang it just like that. There you go, pretty nice. And it'll look like that. And it has 5 settings. This is the first setting, second setting, third setting, fourth, and fifth settings. There you go. I guess you need more pressure for this one. Third one, 4, more pressure.